Hello my beautiful people, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a different video for you guys. I have found a good and amazing dupe of MAC Ruby Woo. Yes, MAC Ruby Woo is one of the most highest selling lipsticks in the world, and this is an amazingly unique blue toned red lipstick which is very difficult to find. So people really tend to buy this lipstick a lot more. I know you must be wondering that a lot of YouTubers are talking about dupe of MAC Ruby Woo, and होगा ही उसके 70-80 होंगे उसमें वीडियोस, एंड 70-80 लिपस्टिक्स पे भी होंगे, बट the one that I have found right now, that I can say is an exact dupe. I am wearing it right now. You cannot figure out even a little bit of difference in my both the sides. My right side is Ruby Woo and my left side is the lipstick that I'm talking about right now. मैं डिटेल में बताऊंगी कि ये ड्यूप वाई इज़ इट बेटर दैन मैक रूबी वू इन एवरी एस्पेक्ट. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, ये लिपस्टिक को मैं काफ़ी टाइम से देख रही थी. आई वांटेड टू बाय इट, आई हैव बीन आइंग ऑन दिस, लेकिन क्योंकि आई एम अ मैड क्रेजी लिपस्टिक लवर, सो इधर उधर ये लिपस्टिक, सम यूनिक शेड्स, सम डार्क पिंक शेड्स, सम वॉयलेट, सम पर्पल शेड्स, सम ब्राउन शेड्स, इसी में मैं डूबती रह गई थी. आई हैड एक्चुअली फॉरगॉटन अबाउट दिस वन, बट दिस टाइम when I was sitting idle और मुझे लगा कि एक लिपस्टिक मुझे ख़रीदना चाहिए. This was not intentionally I was searching for a dupe of MAC Ruby Woo, but I just thought to buy another red lipstick to add on to my collection. And guess what? This was an exact dupe, and I am telling you guys, I received this lipstick yesterday itself. I applied this today for the first time, and I removed this lipstick and I'm shooting this video again after applying it again with Ruby Woo on one side and this lipstick on the other side. So enough of this, let's reveal the name of this one. So this lipstick is by Sugar Cosmetics from its Metal Liquid Lipstick collection in the shade Sirius, and this is the lipstick. Isn't the packaging classy? I know, right? I love the packaging of Metal Liquid Lipstick collections. A lot of people would have spoken to you about this lipstick. This is an amazing blue toned red shade. This shade would suit every skin tone in this world, every skin tone, from light till dusky, everyone. And this is one of the most beautiful shades. But I think बहुत कम लोगों ने आपको ये बोला होगा that this is an exact dupe of Ruby Woo. Now when Sugar launched this Metal Liquid Lipstick collection, I purchased 3 lipsticks of these. I have them in Bangalore. When I go back, I'm going to review all of them in one go. Now everyone was wondering कि ऐसा क्या है इस lipstick में that Sugar suddenly came up with a lipstick which was priced at whopping 1199 rupees, which was very uncommon for Sugar. But then when people started using this, they went gaga over the consistency of this one, the formula, the texture, the long lasting, the consistency, everything about this lipstick was just bomb. And these lipsticks are one of my go-to. They are one of my favorites. I have always kept them in my vanity, but yeah, I'm carrying just one of them right now. So one more thing that is irrelevant, I'm sure, but I want to talk about it, that I ordered this lipstick a week back, alright, and I received it yesterday. The shipping, I'm not in Bangalore, I'm in my hometown, and this is a town which is not very big and towards a little small town kind of thing. Sugar Cosmetics delivered the product in 4 days. Literally 4 days, and I was super duper impressed with the service that they have offered. So guys, both the lipsticks are beautiful blue tone red. तो ऐसा क्या difference है दोनों में? Why the dupe is better than the original, the Woo Pink, the MAC Ruby Woo? So I'm gonna list down some points for you. So let's see what are those. Even though this lipstick is an exact dupe of MAC Ruby Woo, still Ruby Woo जब मैंने इस साइड लगाया था, I had to literally swipe it 3-4 times on my lips, on this half of my lip. But this one was one swipe pigmentation burst, and I got the color which is just the same. They are too good, just too good. So this is one swipe pigmentation and Ruby Woo is not. point number 1. Now coming to point number 2, Ruby Woo has lasted on me for about 10 hours, I can say, and it has faded from the inner corners of my lips, from this part, a lot actually. It won't be clearly visible, but I could see the pigmentation was going away, it was fading away. But this one does not fade, it does not come off, because it is a liquid lipstick, right? So it stays on a very long time. The pigmentation does not go, and the color payoff stays for at least 8 to 10 hours. Point number 3. So let me show you guys about the transfer proof and the not transfer proof test of both the lipsticks, because I'm wearing both of them. You can see only one side transferred. Only the lipstick on my right. Ruby Woo is a bullet lipstick. It transfers, it gets smudged, and it's not very much waterproof. But this one is, you just saw it, that this did not transfer. This is smudge proof, this is budge proof, this is waterproof. So yeah, this clears the transfer proof test. Point number 4. Coming to the price point of these lipsticks, MAC Ruby Woo retails for 1700 rupees for a full size lipstick, and the mini size retails for 1050 rupees. I am gonna show you how the full size is. This is the full size. It's not very big, let me tell you guys. The quantity of this lipstick is very less compared to the price, but it is MAC Cosmetics after all. So the mini one cost you 1050 rupees. Now this one, compared to those, is a very big liquid lipstick, and this costs 1199 rupees. I can suggest you one thing, this is a personal suggestion. Whenever you buy products from Sugar Cosmetics, please buy it from website of Sugar Cosmetics, because वो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ दे ही देंगे आपको, उसका हमेशा ऑफर चलता रहता है, and that's the most awesome and the most amazing part about Sugar. I love that about them. अगर आप 499 का भी कोई प्रोडक्ट लेंगे तो भी उसमें कुछ ना कुछ वो आपको फ्री में दे देंगे, and that is very good. I have always been a crazy Sugar Cosmetics products का fan, and now जैसे ही time गुजरता जाता है, I have started getting lot more products from Sugar, and I have started loving it more. Now this one, when I got another lipstick along with this. So there were 2 Sugar Metal Liquid lipsticks, but उसके साथ मुझे क्या मिला ऑफर में? I got another metal liquid lipstick from Sugar, and a cute manicure kit free, and a mask from Sugar Cosmetics. And let me tell you guys, the mask and the manicure kit were of superb quality. They were just amazing. Now I'm going to show you the application of both the lipsticks. Just remember, my right side would be MAC Ruby Woo and my left side would be Serious from Sugar Cosmetics. Now let me show you the hand swatches of both these lipsticks. This is Ruby Woo. You see that? The color is much more pigmented here and is an exact dupe when it dries down. I'm gonna allow it 30 seconds to dry down completely on my hands. So अभी 30-40 seconds around हो चुका है, and this lipstick has completely dried down in my hands. Let me show you how it looks. So finally, ending this video with one suggestion. If you are a person who is a crazy lipstick lover and who really needs MAC Ruby Woo, या आपके पास already MAC Ruby Woo है and probably you're not liking the way it's not transfer proof and not very long lasting, then I can tell you guys that this lipstick is all you need. It's transfer proof, smudge proof, budge proof, waterproof, and would last on you for more than what Ruby Woo would have lasted, and at 40% less price with more quantity and with gifts from Sugar Cosmetics as well if you buy from the website. So that was my short video on a beautiful and amazing dupe of MAC Ruby Woo. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button under my video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such content. And आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपको दोनों में से कौन सा लिपस्टिक अच्छा लगा एंड विच वन वुड यू प्रेफर मोर, एंड इफ़ यू हैव यूज सीरियस ऑल्सो डू लेट मी नो योर एक्सपीरियंस ऑन दैट. सी यू सून इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.